Yes, ma'am. Wow. Amazing. This kind of practice you makes your drawings more, you know, constructive. Okay, just make the straight lines over here. Oh, in between time, my. Thus, I make this a basic line like this. See. So this is here is a circle. This is a basic line. Okay. You put see here the balance also. You can put the balance also. First make this straight line. Okay. Straight line, and this here. Finish.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here the subject is like a the head is a ball, and here this I using the oval like this oval the head. So here to make a ball. This part is an oval like here is the oval. Okay. Like the eyes. Okay. So that to create the हाँ क्यों शेक रो रहा है क्यों शेक क्या हुआ क्या हुआ आज क्या था अच्छा एकदम हो गया okay so now this is the hands start from here okay like this is the body so make the hand the leg over here make this legs okay these two legs make this very simple legs like this I focus this drawing okay draw this line okay so just join this you can go ahead to create this line like this like this like this like this okay so how to create this is this animals are strong okay गाली गलौज रोना सब कुछ और रियल होता है क्या इसमें हाँ डूडल नहीं बनाया अच्छा नहीं तो ये क्लासेस में भी अब जब ज्वाइन किया उसको बहुत शायद नहीं बनाया मैंने ओके मेक द सर्किल दिस इज सर्किल this is oval like a make this like oval this shape like a oval this shape like a circle here just like a circle and this shape like a oval okay fine So I just create here. After that, first make these two shapes. Okay, basic shape.